tournament. The women's ladies all over Goa playing in this tournament. With a big hand from Kiran Savan, the Punch member of Village Panchayat Mandrem. So thank you very much, Kiran Savan, once again. And now we are waiting for the first qualifier. Shivan Strikers Mandrem girls versus Morning 11 Pername girls. So let's see which team will go through to the final of this fantastic tournament. We are here on the Mandrem ground near Maruti Temple, expecting more spectators in the evening session. We are already for Morning 11 Pername is Santoshi and Satlaj. The big names in the Morning 11 Pername team. Santoshi already scored 42 runs in the morning match. So let's see if she can continue her performance in this tournament. Would like to tell everyone that Shivan's Strikers Mandrem girls won the toss and they have elected to field first. So they would like to restrict Pername 11, Morning 11 Pername at least around 30 to 40 runs so they can chase the target. It was a very close encounter between Bhumika Ashwam and Veera Yuratni Kurga. A big thank you to Bhumika Ashram team as well for participating in this tournament. Bad luck to them, but they played very well. All the girls played very nicely for their team. They were inch closer of winning that match versus Veera Yuratni Kurga. But Veera Yuratni Kurga bowlers kept their head cool, calm and collected and won that match finally. So we are here for the qualifier, the first qualifier. Both umpires ready. Scorer Dheeraj Palekar with the scorebook in his hand. Santosh on strike, bowler Ankita. Chance and big wicket departed. Look at that celebration. They know the importance of this wicket. Santosh departed for a duck. What a big breakthrough. What a big loss for this for Morning 11 Pername. चढ घाई करपाची गरज ना. 4 ओव्हरीचे मॅचेस सोपले. तुमका मॅचेस काबार झाले तर जे पयली असले ते आमचे लीग स्टेजीचे. आता हे मॅचेस जातले ते 6 ओव्हरीचे. 6 ओव्हरीन तुमका ॲटलीस्ट 50 रन 55 रन टार्गेट दवरपाक जाय. So the first blow for the Morning 11 Pername. Santoshi departed and new batsman Captain Pradnya on strike. Ankita started very nicely for his team. Shivan Strikers Mandrem. Total 6 owners, 6 teams participated in this tournament, first All Goa Women's Cricket Tournament. Big six, big hit on the mid wicket region. First blow. Hammer on the nail from the captain. Pradnya just arrived and announced her presence on the pitch. 6 runs from Pradnya's bat. She needs to play a captain's inning for her team. 6 runs after the loss of a big wicket. Now Pradnya started fantastically. Ball bouncing a little bit. Dot delivery. First ball wicket. Second ball dot delivery. Third ball 6 runs. Fourth delivery dot ball. Only first over is a mandatory power play. You can use 4 bowlers. 2 bowlers can bowl 2 overs each. Straight down the ground. Misfield. But still very well backed up by the fielder there. 7 runs. Last delivery of the Ankita's over. Mandatory power play. Only 2 fielder restricted outside the 30-yard circle. Deep mid wicket, deep square leg region. 2 fielders are there. Welcome Kiran Saband here. Mr. Zordar Tayo Zawni. आणि clean bowled Satlaj. Clean bowled जाऊन परतलेला सर डगआउटन. Welcome Mr. Kiran Saband once again. Both the openers inside the dugout for Morning 11 Pernem. Very good bowling from Ankita. Just gave away 7 runs in her first over. And 2 important wickets she has taken. Very, very important wickets. 2 explosive batsmen inside the dugout. And Shivan strikers Mandrem will be very happy with that performance. New batsman Sharmila and Pradnya. Sharmila needs to give a good hand to her captain Pradnya. She already hit 1 6 and now the bowler. Bharti started nicely from the road end. This is the first qualifier. Again, good shot. Picked up nicely from the captain. 6 runs. So with this 6, score is 13. Pradnya 1-3-13. So Pradnya needs to bat till the last. It's a 6 overs of innings for each teams. All the qualifiers, eliminator matches will be of 6 overs per side. Again, 6 runs from the bat of Pradnya. Morning 11 Pernem captain. Full toss. And that ball races out the boundary like a stresser bullet. What a shot from Pradnya. Misfield, but there was no chance for the fielder to save that ball. It went like a rocket to the fence. 17. Pradnya is playing a gem of an inning. She needs to be there till last, as I have said earlier. It will be a better for Pernem. Morning 11 Pernem team, women's team. Oh, what a handsome looking shot. What a shot. What a shot. Just admire that shot from Pradnya. Fantastic. Fantastic. Over the shot long off region. The shot which Virat Kohli plays very well. And she has the power, she has the talent. And the man who gave the chance for this talent is here with us, Kiran Sawan. Okay, dot delivery. 6-4-6 and a dot delivery. So Pradnya is just scoring some big shots here. Score is 23. Second over in progress. Again picked up. Beautiful. What a shot, Pradnya. Just picked up from the length and 3 sixes and a boundary in this over. Expensive over from Bharti. First innings, 29 on the scoreboard after completion of 2 overs. What a batter, what a batsman. Pradnya. After the loss of Santoshi and Satlaj, Pradnya is doing the batting. Sharmila needs to give a good hand to her captain. 2 ओव्हरीन स्कोर झालो 29. प्रज्ञान मारले 4 सिक्सरी आणि 1 4. सामखे डेंजरस बॅट्समन. जशें म्हटला तशें ज्या मनशान ह्या चलयेक स्टेज दिल्या तो मनीस आमच्या भितर आसा किरण सावंत. बॉलर नेम Ankita straight on the ground, fielded. Oh no, that was a misfield. Was a good try there. This time it's Sharmila. She did it with this first ball. 33. We are live on the YouTube. You can enjoy this WPL kind of atmosphere live on the YouTube. Tennis Cricket Live from the YouTube channel. Wide one. Tennis cricket is one of the finest in the business. Crisp, clear entertainment. You can watch everything very clean and clear. First qualifier, you can say a semi-final. It's the first qualifier. So Sharmila on strike. Fielder is setting the fielding there. 34. Third over in progress. Good comeback. This is from Morning 11 Perne. No chance, ball will drop in no man's land and a misfield and a boundary. Misfield and a boundary. Boundary 38 now. 38. So Sharmila hitting back-to-back boundaries. 4 wide, 4 in this over, third over. Your 2 bowlers can bowl 2 overs, 6 overs matches. Clean bowl. Right in the block hole. Good comeback from Ankita. She was a little expensive till now, but she has taken 3 big wickets. 2 boundaries and 1 wide in this over. So Sharmila departed after scoring 8 runs. She was looking good. Pradnya on the non-striker and for a long time now. Pratiksha, new batsman for Morning 11 Pernem. We got 4 big teams in the qualifier. Morning 11 Pernem, Shivam Strikers Mandrem, Veer Yuratni Khurgaon and Morzai Warriors Morjim. They will be playing the next match of the eliminator. So they must be feeling some heat. Veer Yuratni Kurgaon and Morze Warriors Morjim, because that will be a very important match for both the teams. Qualifier 1 is in the progress. She wants strikers. Mandrem won the toss and elected to field first. Started nicely, 2 wickets departed, but then after the thunderstorm, Pradnya. Good looking shot. Tried for a catch. They will get 2 runs, I think so. They are going for it. Chance on the non-striker end, and she's gone. She is gone. There wasn't a second runs there, but still Pratiksha went for that run and gave her wicket. So she's run out. 4 wickets departed for Morning 11 Pernem. They are scoring nicely. They have to keep their wickets intact because Pradnya is a non-striker and till now. New batsman Neha. 4 wickets departed for Morning 11 Pernem. I would like to tell all the latecomers, the toss won by Shivan strikers Mandrem gave the invitation for Morning 11 Pernem to bat first because this is the qualifier. The team qualifies will go directly into the final of this first All Goa tournament, women's cricket tournament, organized by Bhumika Youth Sports and Culture Club, Ashwim. Full toss one straight into the hands of a fielder. That was a good throw from the deep. Kanvikshka was there. Single. Score is 40. Last delivery of the 3rd over. Pradnya. There is no chance. So, completion of 3 overs. Score is 40. They are scoring nicely here this Morning 11 Pernem, just losing away 4 wickets. And now Kanviksha will be bowling the 4th over. Kanvikshka. Neha will be on strike. She needs to give strike to her captain. There is a loud appeal, but no pressure whatsoever on the umpire. Dot delivery. Just hit the ball and take a single. Neha on strike. Dot delivery. Kanvika started nicely. Good square cut vision and a boundary. Square cut shot, which we see in leather ball cricket as well. That's a good shot from Neha. Boundary. 44. 44. What a good stage this is set by Kiran Sawant for all these girls, all these women present here on this lovely Mandrem ground. Thank you so much, Kiran Sawant. Handsome looking shot, beautiful shot, straight into the hands of a long off vision player. Good going till now for Morning 11. Good partnership this. Now after a long time, Pradnya is on strike. Score is 45. 3 more deliveries to go in this 4th over. Pradnya goes big. Pradnya goes huge. What a 6. Pradnya, you beauty. What a striking this is from captain. I think she came set from the home only today. Pradnya hitting big sixes. Kudos to you, Pradnya. 50 on the scoreboard. 50 for Morning 11 Pernem. 51 now. With that 6. 51. Pradnya on strike once again. She was there at the non-strike end for a long time. Her hands were itching. They'll get a single in the form of, I guess, a leg buys. So, single. Last delivery to go, 52. Fourth over in progress. Good scoring is going on from Morning 11 Pernem. They were in a situation where two openers got out on duck, but after that Pradnya came, Sharmila came, and now Neha on strike. Neha wanted to go big. Dot delivery. Pradnya said, don't worry, it's okay. So 4 overs completed. After 4 overs, score is 52 on the scoreboard. Very good initiative from Bhumika Youth Sports and Culture Club, Ashwem. They are organizing this first All Goa Women's Cricket Tournament. Auction was held and very good cricket players chosen from all over Goa. And I request Kiran Sawant sir to please continue this tournament for years to come, because these girls will get the stage like this. It's a very good, huge stage to show their talent. So thank you once again. Fifth over in progress, bowler Sonali on the leg side. Very good fielding from Pradnya. She's striking very nicely. She's hitting the ball right from the middle of the bat every time. She's striking very well. Good strike rate from Pradnya. Neha on strike, fifth over in progress. 53 is the score. Neha wanted to go big. I guess the job of Neha is to give the strike to Pradnya. She needs to give a chance to Pradnya. Fifth over, yes. Fifth over in progress. Sonali the bowler. On the leg side, wide one. 54. A lot of extras are considered in this innings. Full toss one. It was easy. Full toss. Fielder got hand to it but couldn't stop it. So it's a boundary from the bat of Neha. 58. More 3 deliveries to go in this over. 58. Fifth over in progress. Again wanted to hit in the same region. Neha again missing the ball completely. Last delivery of the over. Good over till now from Sonali. It's the second last over of the innings. Again back-to-back dot deliveries from Neha. It's a completion of fifth over. Good over this is from Neha. Just gave away 6 runs. Score is 58 after completion of Last over, it will be bowled by Kanviksha. Now Pradnya. 58 on the scoreboard. Last over, Pradnya will look to go big. It's a wide one. So dot delivery, sorry, extra delivery. 59. Pradnya strike after a long time. She was ball watching from the non-striker end, but now she have the chance. She needs to keep the strike. Top edge, bowling racing away. It will be a boundary. It will be a boundary, yes. So it's a boundary. So boundary from the bat of Pradnya. 63 on the scoreboard, 63. She is doing an ample of hitting here, Pradnya. What a batsman she is, what a captain she is for Morning 11 pair name. Again, Pradnya strike, Kanviksha on the bowling mark. 5 runs considered in the first 2 deliveries. Wide and the boundary. It will be only a single. So with this single, 64, Pradnya is batting on 41. But she is on non-striker end. Neha on strike. 4 deliveries to go in this last over. Good shot. Very good shot. Boundary. On the covers region, there was no fielder there. So boundary after a long time from the bat of Pradnya, which will Neha. Beg your pardon. Neha was the batsman. So 68. 3 more deliveries to go in this over. 68 is the score. It's a good total in the 6 overs of encounter. Neha once again. Late cut, very good shot once again. Neha finding a gap here. Ball is stopping there. She will get 2 runs. So 2 runs. 2 runs with this 2. 70 on the scoreboard for Morning 11 pair name. More 2 deliveries to go. Neha on strike. She will look to finish this innings with a bang. She is there on the strike. Pradnya on the non-striker end. 41 she scored. Good shot picked up. And a good catch. So it will be a Pradnya on the non-striker end and new batsman will be on strike. Good innings this is from Neha. She departed on 16 runs. She gave a good hand to her captain Pradnya. New batsman Tanuja. Last delivery of the innings. It was Shivan Strikers Mandrem who won the toss and elected to field first. And Morning 11 So she's gone. Pradnya is gone. It was a wide one, but Pradnya wanted to keep the strike, so she's gone. It's a wide one, so new batsman should go. Pradnya departed after 41. What a good captain's inning she played. Give her a big hands. 41 she scored. 5 big sixes and 2 boundaries she scored in her inning. Captain's inning she played. Pradnya. Sania. Sania, not Mirza. Score is 71. Sorry, 72. 71, sorry. Chance of a run out on a non-striker end, and I think she's gone. Yes. So keeper doing the fantastic job. So 71 they managed to score. Morning 11 Pernem. 72 is the target. 12 runs per over will be a target for Shivan Strikers Manrem. Thank you very much. We'll take a short break.
Nicely bowled by Pratiksha Kerkar. और ये खूबसूरत शॉट अंकिता के बल्ले से आता हुआ। चौका। और ये अच्छा बॉल प्रतीक्षा का। ऑन बोर्ड। बऱ्यातलं बरं 1 रन। और ये बेहतरीन शॉट बाय भारती सीमा रेखा बाहेर। सीमा रेखाला या ओके। लास्ट बॉल ऑफ 3rd ओवर। और ये क्लीन बोल्ड। लगता है शिवांश स्ट्राइकर से हाथ से जाता हुआ ये मैच फिसलता हुआ। अठरा बॉलान 48 जाय जिखपाक। जाता तितले मारीत रावा। यहाँ पे बॉलिंग एंड वर संतोषी मैम। और ये अच्छा 4। नाइस शॉट बाय पूर्वा। अंकिता। शिवांश स्ट्राइकर्स मातशी फाटी बसा। लाईनी आसात तुम्ही। जाता तितली बरी फिल्डिंग करा, बरी बॅटिंग करा।
Purva on strike. और यहाँ पर फील्डिंग में लगातार चेंजेस. आणि हांगा अपील केल्ले आसा आणि वाईड बॉल. स्कोर इज 30. बरो बॉल बाय संतोषी. बरो शॉट मारला. पूर्वा 6. वेट. and that's a 6. या 6 उपरांत स्कोर झाला 36. आणि एक शॉट मारला आणि एक 6. बरी करकरीत 6 मारला संतोषिक. स्कोर इज 42 आणि तुमका जाय 12 बॉल 30 रन्स. 30 रन्स इन 12 डिलिव्हरीज. आता बॉलिंग घालपा गेला खुद्द कॅप्टन प्रज्ञा पेडणेकर, जेणी आयज आमकां बऱ्यांतली बरी बॅटिंग दाखयल्ली आसा. आता बॉलिंगेन कितें करता ते पळोवया. डॉट बॉल. आणि हो नो बॉल. खूप बाहेर पडला बॉल. नो बॉलाची फ्री हिट आणि स्ट्रायकर असा अंकिता. अंकिताक बरो चान्स असा. आणि ओढून मारलेली असा अंकितान 6. फ्री हिटाची 6 मिळाली असा. आणि हे 6 स्कोर झालेला असा 49. आणि एक फुल बॉल आणि 6 गेलेली असा. The score is 55. 9 balls, 17 runs required. 9 balls and 17 runs. बरो बॉल प्रज्ञान आपल्या बॉलिंगेन मातशे चेंजीस केल्ले आसा. सात बॉल 17. बरी शॉट मारल्या. 6 बाय अंकिता. आता जाय 1 ओव्हर 11 रन्स. 6 बॉल आणि 11 रन्स. लास्ट ओव्हर घेऊन येयला संतोषी आणि स्ट्रायकर असा पूर्वा. आणि एक विकेट पडलेली असा. पूर्वा आउट झाली असा. पूर्वान काढल्या 12 रन्स. न्यू बॅट्समन सोनाली. डॉट बॉल. आता उरल्या 4 बॉल आणि रन्स जाय 11. तीन बॉल 10 रन आणि स्ट्रायकर असा सेट झालो बॅट्समन अंकिता. तीन बॉल 10 रन. आठ रन्स जाय इन 2 बॉल्स. 2 बॉल 8 रन. आणि विकेट अंकिता आउट झालेले असा. एक बॉल लास्ट बॉल उरला आणि रन्स जाय 8. दिसता की मॅच सामकी मॉर्निंग लेवलाच्या वाटेन वयता पूण यू नेवर नो इट्स अ गेम ऑफ क्रिकेट. लास्ट बॉला मेरेन आमी कांयच सांगूंक शकना आनी एकूच बॉल उरला आनी स्कोर जाय 8 रन्स. आणि प्लेयर ऑफ द मॅच ऑफ दिस मॅच इज captain of the team Pradnya, woman of the match. I'll request our Kiran sir to give away the player of the match trophy to Pradnya.